So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this Delta faucet. This was purchased by the homeowner. And so we've got it installed up top. It's got a nice mounting system, 2 nuts on each side, which we like. It helps keep the cover plate down on the holes on the outer side on the left and right. And then, of course, a spin down nut that came with a special wrench that tightens down the faucet itself. And so what we've got in here, try and take a picture here without flipping things upside down. You can see there's a regular little split, little mounting bracket, little nut goes on there, and then of course it's integrated supply lines come down. Those are the the 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, like Quest tubing coming down, and then a quick connect there with the blue clip for the sprayer, and then a free floating weight down here. The only problem I can see with this is some of the plumbing down here is right in front of the weight, and so when you go to pull it up, you know, it might bump it a little bit, but that's the only thing I see wrong. Cold water shutdown. We did bleed the entire home down and shut the water off out front. Reason being is cold water valve was fine, but over here you've got one of these pull to close, push to stop integrated supply lines, which means that white vinyl tubing and the shutoff valve, it's all one piece. Usually when you shut these things down, they start dripping, and the only thing you can do is take it apart and put a new angle stop on. So if you work on this, just leave that alone, shut the water down up front. If you want to, you can go ahead and take that apart and spin it loose and get a different type of connector. It's a 3/8 compression tee that goes on top of that same kind of valve right there. We like the 1/4 turn stainless steel shutoff valves, 1/4 turn. Got a stainless steel ball in there, so those are good. So anyways, we didn't mess with that at all. Haven't touched that. So that's not ours. We don't own that. We did connect back to this 3/8 tee. It's a 3/8 brass tee. Just the gray plastic lines. The dishwasher was already hooked up. The white line is a part of the angle stop and the shutoff valve. So we just tied in right there. So you want to monitor that for any kind of dripping. Same thing over here on the cold side where it ties in. You want to monitor that for dripping as well. Just make sure it stays dry. Any trouble, gives a holler, we'll come back out, take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.